Hey, what up, YouTube? What up, what up, what up, what up? Just bought this 6 tickets. Sleigh Bell. Let me see. Yeah, Sleigh Bell. A Sleigh Bell and a hat. That been treating me really bad since yesterday, man. Yesterday, I bought 5 hats first, lost all of it, went again and bought 8 of them, lost all 7, and just won the 20 back. So 12 ticket of the hat only won one prize. So I say, you know what? It might be something in this book. So I went back today and bought all these 3 tickets, 3 of the sleigh and 3 of the bell. And here you go the match. I reveal 2 hat. Maybe who knows? It might be much more hats in there. I don't know. Or winning numbers. I don't know. Most of the time, when you get the symbols, you're not sure that you're gonna get another winning number. But who knows? Lottery got no laws. So here you go. And then the sleigh bell. There you go. Bought them. And then the last game number 10 went to bell in the last game. So don't know how much the price will be, but at least we got 2 bell. So just wanted to just show you guys that and see if we can win more money, because I only scratch. If you can see, I only scratch only the side. We still got the middle to scratch. So we'll let you guys know how much I got after I finish scratching. So see you guys later with the winning numbers and the prices to show. Right? Love you, YouTube. Love you all. Good luck to all of y'all. And subscribe to my new channel because I'm really new on this one. So just trying to just show you guys that luck is luck. We can, all of us can get winners. So love you. Have a nice day. Prize will be revealed in the second video. Okay. Bye. YouTube.